Hi everyone, welcome back to Rotate Recipe. Today we are making a delicious Singhare ka halwa with jaggery water, perfect for Navaratri and fasting. Let's get started. First, let's prepare our jaggery water. In a saucepan, combine jaggery and water. Heat until the jaggery dissolves completely. Next, in a pan, heat ghee, add the water chestnut flour and roast it on low heat. Stir continuously until it turns golden and aromatic. This should take about 4-5 minutes. Slowly pour the jaggery water into the roasted flour. Stir continuously to prevent lumps from forming. Cook on low heat until the mixture thickens. Transfer the halwa to a greased plate or tray and spread it evenly. You can add some chopped nuts if you like. Let it cool completely. Once set, cut it into squares or diamonds and your Singhare ka halwa is ready to be enjoyed. Thank you for joining us. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more festive delights. See you next time.